Yeah, good day everyone. Michael here from Wealth Ladder. Here today with Jayne, who has just purchased an awesome deal behind us. Now you can see the house right there. So we're here to ask a couple of questions about this deal, how it came about, and yeah, just get some details on it. So Jayne, talk us through the deal.
Okay, so about 3 weeks ago the agent called and said we had a deal, Goodwin Heights, which I don't really know the area, but I knew it was a better area than Menurewa, Otara, the kind of areas that I've been looking in. And he said it's going to be a multi-offer, it's going to be cash unconditional, these guys are going to sell. And I said, okay, I'm in, come and look at the property. It was a 3-bedroom house, but it's got a really big garage. It's got a double garage with workshop on the side, so it's really a triple garage. So I just saw the potential there.
Yep.
And yes, I put my offer in, subject to a meth test. And the agent, he ordered the test and it actually came back positive. So that worked in my favour.
Good. So if you don't mind me asking, what did you buy it for?
I bought it for 600.
Yep.
Okay.
And some prices in the area that validate that that's a good buy?
Well, there was a house in the same street on a cross lease, one third of 1,200 I think, and it sold for 620 in May, so that was quite a few weeks ago. And there's a house across the road, 5-bedroom house, and that's on the market for 869. So houses generally in the area are 750 plus for homeowners around here.
So roughly 150 grand below market, and obviously that happened for a reason, very motivated vendor, but there was some issues, I assume?
Yeah, well obviously the meth test came back positive, so we've had to get some decontamination quotes done to do the clean-up. So health and safety risks, so the tenants are moving out as soon as they're kind of organised, and yeah, they're in arrears as well in their rent, so tenancy tribunal and all sorts. So yeah.
Okay, so you've identified the problem and you're confident that you can fix that problem?
Yeah, I just worked that into the price. So
what's it going to cost you to fix the problem?
Well, physically the decontamination is about 11k, so new carpets 3 or 4, bit of a paint, so probably 20k I could get away with if I was going to hold it. But now I'm thinking about on selling, so to a homeowner, so I probably spend up to 30k on it now, and possibly put on the market in the new year. I think 750 plus, so there's a good 100k kind of buffer there.
Yep, so you've identified it's a $30,000 spend maximum to fix the problem, and you're going to give yourself roughly $120,000 buffer.
Yeah.
Some agent, if you did sell it, you'd have some agent's fees and those sort of things. So if you can get 100, then you're going to sell it. If not, then you'll look to hold it.
Yeah.
So under the scenario that you hold it, what's the rent going to be? At the moment, I believe it's $450. You were saying?
Yeah, it's $450 at the moment, which is under rented for this area. Rents are $550 to $580. For this area for 3 bedrooms, so I believe if it's renovated it will get roughly 600. The one across the road is 650 for a 5 bedroom, and this has got the rumpus area, so a 3 bedroom plus the rumpus, 1 bathroom, 600 I think.
Yep, which is going to be roughly 5%,
5% on purchase price. Yeah.
Which is a really good return in Goodwin Heights. Normally I would have imagined the yield would be 3.5%, 3% in the street around this area.
Yeah.
Yep. Awesome.
Yeah.
Well done.
So great deal.
Is there anything else you want to say about it? I think it's an awesome deal.
I'd just like to say thanks Michael and Greg for giving me all the support and confidence I needed to go through with the purchase, and I'll be looking for my next deal.
Awesome. Yeah, congratulations. Done really, really well. Yeah, it's exciting. There you have it. Normally 3.5% yield, 5% yield on purchase. A little problem that's been identified. Jayne's confident she can fix that. She knows exactly what it's going to cost to do it. She's had the experts in to work out what needs to be done, and confident she's going to make at least 100 grand equity, or if she sells that property, profit, or hold on to it. So there's options there. So again, well done. There's definitely good deals out there even in the market right now, so keep going hard. Congratulations again.